Hello there. My name is Tom Moorhead. I wanted to talk about Khan Academy. It's definitely something I've heard of. I've never actually used it, and I'm looking at it, and I mean, it looks pretty good. You can see the advertisement. It's suggested grades 2 through 12. These are the subjects that it does. It does computer science, English, math, science, and history. Um, here's here's kind of a little description of some of the features. I think the important thing is that it. Like I'm not going to read all this, but there is this here, to read. I think the important thing to understand is that it's basically it's a computer program that kind of uses AI in two ways. It uses AI to kind of assess where your student is and give them the problems accordingly, and it also uses AI to create problems that kind of have your child's interest, or if this is a student has your interest. So it uses AI in those two ways, and it pretty much adapts to what you or your child needs. So it seems pretty good from what I've seen. I've heard a lot of stuff about it, but again, I've actually never used it myself. But basically, what it is it has units, and it assigns you problems. You do those problems, and then it kind of just like it keeps your progress. I'll show you an example of that right now. Um, let's see. Here's a. I'm currently working on a unit that's solving quadratics by factoring. So I noticed this one, but let's view this exercise. Um, so basically, what it does is, well, like, are you ready to practice? Yep, let's go. So here's a problem. So what's the answer? I'm not sure. So obviously I have to figure it out. But if you're confused about figuring it out, here's a 4 minute 35-second video to watch. That's pretty nice. It's not a super long video. You can click on this and it takes you straight to the video. The nice thing about the video is you can pause it. You can rewind it. You can watch it twice, whatever you need, and it talks about how to do it. Um, you put these answers in, it's going to let you know if you're right or wrong. You've got to get four of them to progress, and then you'd go on to the next skill. So again, this is a skill that I'm working on, a current unit that I'm working on right now. The neat thing about it is I live in California, and it actually talks about the math standards that this problem hits. So that's about it. Trying to think, how you get to it is just, it's just, khanacademy.org. If you are a parent or a student, and you want this for your personal use, it does look like you have to purchase a membership fee. Um, so that obviously, could be costly. If you're lucky enough that your school has accounts for you, then you could obviously use this through your school free of charge, and that would be nice. But that's about it. Thanks for listening.